In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record and manage expenses in Zoho Books. First, let's dive into recording an expense. You'll want to begin by navigating to the Expenses module. Head over to the left sidebar and click on Purchases, then select Expenses, or simply click the plus icon located next to the module for a quick shortcut. Next, we need to focus on filling in the basic details of your expense. Begin with the date, which is when the expense actually took place. Then, think about the category this expense belongs to. Perhaps it's something like office supplies or a travel expense. Don't forget to input the amount. This should reflect the total cost of the expense you are recording. Now let's add any other essential information. Decide how this expense was paid. Select the appropriate account, such as a bank account or credit card, which was used to pay for it. If this expense involves a vendor, choose one from your existing list or add a new vendor. It's always a good idea to attach a digital copy of the receipt or invoice to keep your records tidy. Simply upload the attachment to the expense entry. Before wrapping up, consider how to mark your expense. If it's billable, check the box indicating this and select the customer you might be billing. Should this be an out-of-pocket expense that needs reimbursement, mark it accordingly. For any personal expenses that aren't tied to your business, make sure to flag those as personal. Lastly, save your work. Clicking the Save button will ensure your expense is securely recorded. Moving on to managing expenses, start by organizing your records with sorting and filtering options. On the Expenses page, you can click on any column header to sort your list, perhaps by date or amount. If needed, use the filter options to narrow your view and make finding specific expenses easier. Sometimes you might have a large backlog of expenses. In such cases, consider the import feature, which allows you to upload a CSV or TSV file to handle multiple expenses at once. You'll find this import option somewhere near the top of the Expenses module. Finally, to keep your accounts aligned, make use of matching bank feeds. After logging an expense, check your banking tab for corresponding transactions. Match the recorded expense with the relevant transaction to prevent any duplicate entries, ensuring everything balances perfectly. There you go. With these step-by-step instructions, you're all set to efficiently record and manage your expenses in Zoho Books. Stay organized, and you'll find handling your financial records is easier than ever.